doing custard. And once you stir the custard,
I'm seeing disaster.
before we pour hot water, we pray. We need to pray.
Shakaraba. Shakaraba.
People don't know that this custard is starch. Those starch that they're using for clothes, hair. The anything they just put color, put sweetener, and preserver. And after that, ta-da, custard.
You don't do that.
Stir very well. Stir very well. After stirring,
What's on the line?
now after stirring this custard, you need to pray. Father,
Asha.
any power that will not make this custard do like normal custard, fire,
Libra.
goes.
I dey see disaster, but they get faith. That's point. Okay, make I dey turn on.
Oh yeah, custard. Yes.
You have to pour water.
Tom.
Yeah.
We made it. Yes. We made it.
Turn.
After many years.
Turn.
Even if Coco they will manage it.
The Coco love me. Turn.
Before you start doing custard, pray while doing the custard. Pray before pouring the hot water, and pray as you are pouring the hot water. That is the power of prayer. Hallelujah.
Somebody shout glory.
Glory.